You've heard about a promising new treatment, and you want in. But how do you actually get into a clinical trial? It's not as complicated as you might think, and today we're walking you through exactly how it works. The first thing you need to know is that every clinical trial has something called inclusion and exclusion criteria. These are the specific conditions that determine who qualifies. Things like your age, diagnosis, medical history, and even what medications you're currently taking. This isn't about gatekeeping. It's about patient safety and making sure the science is reliable. So where do you start? The best place is clinicaltrials.gov. It's a free database run by the US government that lists thousands of active trials around the world. You can search by condition, location, age group, and trial phase. Read the eligibility requirements carefully before reaching out to anyone. Once you find a trial that looks like a fit, you contact the research team directly. There's usually a phone number or email listed. They'll ask you some screening questions to see if you qualify. If you pass that stage, you'll be invited for a more thorough in-person evaluation. Here's something most people don't realize. Participation is always voluntary, and you can leave at any time. Before anything begins, you go through a process called informed consent, where the team explains every detail of the trial, including the risks, the benefits, and your rights. Clinical trials can offer access to cutting-edge treatments before they're widely available, often at no cost. If you or someone you love is out of options, this could genuinely be a path worth exploring.